There wasn't any new guitar coming in today, so I decided to give a little extra attention to the one I already have. When I looked at it in the corner of the room, I noticed a thin layer of dust starting to build up, a sign that it needed cleaning. Small maintenance like this often gets overlooked, but it's actually important to keep a guitar in good condition and looking great. I grabbed a dry fiber cloth and gently wiped the entire surface. The soft texture easily lifted the dust without leaving scratches. From the headstock, down the fretboard, all the way to the back of the body, I cleaned everything section by section. With every swipe, the guitar looked a little more alive. For the tight spots between the strings and around the bridge, I usually use a special cleaning brush. Unfortunately, I couldn't remember where I put it today, so I did my best with just the cloth. It wasn't perfect, but still satisfying to see the guitar looking fresh again. Simple tasks like this always bring a sense of calm. Besides keeping the guitar clean, there's a special kind of satisfaction when you see your instrument neat and ready to play anytime. Sometimes, taking care of your guitar feels like taking care of your own mood. The cleaner and more maintained it is, the better it feels when you play it.